Hello friends, in this video we see how we can install Wi-Fi driver in ParaTOS. There are some Wi-Fi driver which are not pre-installed in ParaTOS, so we need to install it manually. You can see here no Wi-Fi symbol is appear. So first of all we need to connect with a wired network. I connect with my mobile network. Now open terminal and type command sudo apt-get update. Press enter, enter password and press enter. We need to install some additional tool. So clear terminal by pressing Ctrl L and type command sudo apt-get install git gcc make bold essential Linux headers $, open bracket, uname, space, -r, close bracket, press enter, press Y for continue and press enter. Clear terminal. For download Wi-Fi driver, type command git clone -b rtw88 https://github.com/lwfinger/rtl Wi-Fi _new.git. Press enter. Wi-Fi driver is downloaded. To verify, type command ls. You can see RTL Wi-Fi new directory is present here. To move into RTL Wi-Fi new directory, type command cd RTL Wi-Fi new. Press enter. I am in RTL Wi-Fi new directory. I cleared the terminal. Now type command make. Press enter. Clear terminal. For install Wi-Fi driver, type command sudo make install. Press enter. You can see Wi-Fi driver is installed successfully. For better performance, we need to reboot our system. So type command sudo reboot. Press enter. After reboot my system, I see my Wi-Fi signal. You can see Wi-Fi is enabled. I can connect to my Wi-Fi network. I enter the password. Connect. You can see Wi-Fi is connected successfully. I hope you like this video. Thank you.